Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
We got Glocks on Glocks, blocks on blocks. We got World Star, motherfucker.
We do those things, bruh. But we don't do them every day like you. You said every day. Come on, man. There you are lying, bruh. In the name of God, you even mentioned it every single day. 365 days of the year, you are helping someone out every single day.
Even now, today, when I came and buy the egg, I bought one egg, it's $5. I gave him $10. I said, keep the change. I'm buying to drink.
Yeah, he's also buying that ticket to go enjoy.
Wait, can you pee out enjoyment or can you shit out enjoyment? I can pee my tass and then
enjoyment you keep for the rest of your life.
He's going to drink as well. Oh, he's going to drink.
Guys, just admit that you are wrong.
Now, why don't you guys like full on parties? Is because
She tried to make my world.
There's niggas. That nigga had wigs. Ooh, she throwing ass. Oh my god, she throwing ass. What you mean?
Thanks, man. These people weren't playing when they said it's gonna be bigger than last year. You think the interviews are gonna be not this year?
yeah, somewhat. I hope this year last year don't happen again, bro.
Yeah, nah, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough.
You see the JP area from here, bro.
I was gonna say if it's as dead as last year, I'd be disappointed, bro.
I think it will be. Okay, so I'm here with
Shannon.
what's a toxic trait in guys that secretly turns you on?
When he's controlling and an alcoholic.
Alcoholic. What's your worst sexual experience?
This one time, I was in the closet and I was watching this couple
while they were busy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was the same night, right? I was under the bed.
The same room?
Yeah, the same night, yeah.
Were you the one hitting the cheeks? You was the one clapping the cheeks, bro.
Who do you think cheat more, men or women?
Woman!
Oud is cheat, maar hulle word gevang. Cherries kan nie na die weg steek.
Oh, so they have more opportunities to exactly. Because it's always a thing of, oh no, it's my brother. Oh no, it's my cousin. Oh no, it's my friend.
Jeanette.
Jeanette.
Yes.
Oho. What's a toxic trait in guys that Loki does turn you on?
Let me just say dominant. I like someone that can be like, I don't want you to go out tonight. And I don't like
Tells you what to do,
yeah.
when to do it, that type of shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not gonna listen, but I like it.
Who do you think cheats more, men or women?
Yeah, but because I'm a woman and men have been cheating, and I'm working with women, and they've nog net testify hoe hulle cheat. You watch her?
Now, if you see a guy like me, man,
Yeah.
physically, based off appearance, what's then a chance of getting your number?
Yeah.
You're too young.
How old do you think I am?
Mid to late 20s.
Late.
Mid to late 20s.
Okay, maybe this doesn't apply to you now. But if you look at me, a guy like me, what do you think my chances are of getting your number?
Nie lelik bedoel nie, maar ek hou van ouer manne. Wat lang
She's
is.
choosing. She don't fuck with a kid, man.
En wat se baard vol is.
Wow! Wow! Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. I understand.
Now, what's your holiday confession then?
My holiday
Yeah, what's
confession.
something crazy you've done in December?
Yo, I'm loyal as fuck, so I don't know. I love my man. Shout out to him if he's watching this. I cheated on someone and then I turned it against him.
When he found out?
Yeah, I made it seem like it's his fault.
Yo.
What is your holiday confession?
The holiday confession. Horny confession. Holiday confession.
Holiday confession. You can answer that one as well if you want. Who do you think cheats more, men or women?
Men. No, I'm joking.
There we go.
It's women because women can cheat and not get caught. We smart.
Wow.
We smart.
Why is this like a common answer? It's like everyone's telling us that we're too dumb at cheating.
Yeah, you guys are.
Wow. What's a toxic trait in Namibian men that Loki turns you on?
Degrading me. I'm sorry.
Wait, so you like it when a guy, like Loki like it when a guy like degrades you?
Yeah. But like that's through text. In person, I don't like it.
When you see a guy like me, what do you think your chances are? Do you think I have good chances of getting your number?
Just because you have nice eyes, yes.
No, take what I can get.
Do I stand a chance of getting your number if I shoot my shot? I don't. I took my L.
Shout out your Instagram.
I'm scared.
You're scared.
Complicated colored. Ek is vrouw white. Rapper gaan check me net. Ek spat het ding binne sy voes.
JST.DEVONA. Open friendships. Just PM me if you wanna be friends. But to the guys, I'm off limits because I love my man. Shout out to him again. Oh, my Instagram is Shannon. IZ._Shannon.
Babyface Lola. It's Charlotte 323.
Okay, what is a toxic trait in general that secretly turns you on?
When they don't give us enough attention.
That they don't want that much attention.
When they take control. When it's like when they take control and I'm like,
Oh, you like someone that tells you what to do when to do it?
Are you toxic though? What's your toxic trait?
I'm very stubborn, so it's like the guy has to beg for me.
I only realize it now that I'm single, but I like to be babied. En ek het gesien hoe erg is dit van ek nie weer gebaby word. So ek dink dis fucking.
So this is why you want an older guy. You're looking me in the eyes, real man. I like your eye contact. Okay, so do you guys want to shout out your Instagrams?
You don't have Instagram.
You want to shout out your Instagram?
How come? Is she anti-social?
I like skinny guys. I will lay on a skinny guy.
I'm your type basically.
Yeah.
Who cheats more? Men or women?
Men cheat more.
Have you ever been tempted to cheat though?
I have cheated before.
I respect the honesty.
What do you think is your sluttiest summer experience?
There's nothing.
There's nothing? Nah, there's no way, bruh.
Too chilled for that.
Okay, enough.
I'm just starting now.
Oh, so you're trying to make a slutty summer experience tonight?
No, but I'm starting, yeah.
I dislike toxicity at the point where I can hate a human being just for being toxic.
Do you have any toxic traits yourself?
Yeah, I know. I'm narcissist.
Now check. Just shout out your Instagram and it's done.
Not that I'm even active or anything, but it's Zinia TL. Zinia/TL. Instagram.
Okay, I appreciate
Follow
it.
me, ne?
Chansa is HCANSA. That's D.
Underscore.
Yeah. 72. It's Rahul. RAHUU 91.
My name is Heinz369. I'm tired of women being the same. Why does a woman comes like before SOS, comes long shit and like heavy shit?
Personally, if a chick just wants to go down with me, I'm like, let me first check because I'm not up to hoeing like that. Like, what's kind of line, man? Let me know what the fuck you on. Yeah.
First of all, guys, please be aware. Be aware, cause out here is dangerous.
Let's speak it through.
Yeah, bitch, call me Steve. I'm a wild boy.
Okay, so I'm here with
Pena, Aisha.
Okay, so the main question for today is who cheats more, men or women?
Men. Any pussy that they can get, they go into.
What's a toxic trait in guys that secretly turns you on?
Not having money.
Me and you are meant to be. I'm not making this shit up. You getting sexier and sexier and you single. You live in your bed. You are for me.
What's a toxic trait in guys that secretly turns you on?
When he wants to argue.
You like toxic men?
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, it's about men why women cheat the most. Because as she said, men go into any pussy they get.
Wait. So
a toxic trait in a
woman.
Turns you on, yeah.
When she get mad as fuck, man. When she get mad as fuck for anything, my bro.
Are you saying if men cheat, then they cheat the most, and if women cheat, it's
they
because
cheat
men?
Because of the men. Because of men.
Now what's your toxic trait then? You don't ghost people or anything.
Oh, I ghost people.
I ghost people.
I think of myself as a CEO and the rest of the people as employees.
Ek gee hulle groot kop kou. Hulle moet hom voel. Controlling man. Ek wil nie gebeheer word nie. Ek wil los wees.
Damn, me being nonchalant. Them shit turns the bitches on though.
Something crazy you did in December.
I fucked 2 bitches at a house party at the same house party though.
I didn't do anything crazy yet, but then my mom doesn't know I'm here. So I think this is the craziest thing I've done.
I'm trying to be fair. Holiday confession. You can answer that one as well if you want. That's a red flag. That's a red flag. He's choosing on young black.
That's a cousin, nigga.
You're not. Oh, so everyone is a cousin now. Smash, marry, kill between these 3 years.
Mary.
There we go.
Smash, marry,
there
kill.
we go. Yo.
Cameraman.
Let's go.
Eish, Sana.
That's not your name.
I'll kill you.
Yes.
Smash. I'll smash. I'll smash. I'll marry you. He looks like a good guy. I'll marry. Okay.
Smash that comes to the
Yeah, you're right. No, toch, ik wil niet een goed tennie, man.
I don't even know.
Nee, ik wil niet een goed tennie.
How much would you rate your risk?
Maris.
Yes. If I pointed you to a guy to get his number now.
I can get any guy, but Prachi.
Confidence.
Yeah, hoe dan niet?
Confidence. Okay, let me test the theory.
And when the guy tells you, you look beautiful or whatever, she say I'm flattered, she say fucking thank you nie. Because he didn't do anything to you. He didn't do anything for you.
So there's nothing to thank him for.
Exactly, ek deed ek as nooit. Nou wat?
Okay, you're saying you can pull any guy. Let me test the theory. Okay, so you see that guy right there, with the blonde hair, man, on the phone. Okay, go to the guy, and tell him you wanna talk to him later on tonight.
Must I take the phone with?
Yes.
Must I hold the speaker like so?
Nah, don't make it obvious.
Okay, nga. Hi. Hoe gaan het? Hoe gaan het?
Goed, hoe gaan het?
Dat is alright. Hoekom is jouw cousin zijn naam gezegd met haartjes?
Ik kom niet. Ik kom niet.
Nee, dat is verkeerd, vrouw. Rooi haartjes voor een cousin.
Ja, mooi.
Dat is baie verkeerd.
Ja, mooi.
Wat is jouw naam? Ik is Michaela. Nice to meet you. Als het alright is, ons later vanavond praten.
Dat is recht.
Ja, ons cross.
Maar vader.
Ik ken niet. Ik ken niet.
Kan je dat doen?
Ja, nog altijd. Ja, ik is daar. Ja.
Gewoon dat afro.
Ja.
What did he say?
Je zei ja, bro.
Now, let me ask you this. Does the guy look good enough for you to actually go talk to him?
Him?
Yeah. Would you actually go talk to him?
The guy's ugly.
He's ugly to you, but that's a uncle though.
I don't do colored guys. Hey, I don't do colored guys.
Like
Give
them
me
dark
something
skin.
else. Yeah.
Dark skin. Melanin.
I'm thinking about my future babies here. Give me someone else.
Someone else? Oh, she's not done. Because I don't want to also point you to someone's
boyfriend.
Yeah,
hey,
that's the thing.
I don't want to be more my
Denzel.
He's Debra.
It's my
This
cousin.
guy.
It's my homeboy.
Yeah,
It's okay.
That's alright, Ohana.
Spit your game to Denzel.
Nah!
Spit your game to Denzel, bruh.
I mean, he's fine, but like, no.
Ja. Ons is klaar met die ding. Trouwens, vandaag ons gaan even weer goed deze doen. Die niet goed, joh.
Ik ga met haar praten, die moet met haar gaan praten.
Ik heb ook niet gehoord, ik heb het al gedaan.
Ja, ze vraagt me je naam met ons doen, hoe zeg ik? Ja. Ik heb niet met haar praten, ik heb met haar praten bij net.
Ik heb ons het niet gedaan.
Justice.
Ze is bezig met haar dat je daar.
Dus we actually zo staan, ik zal even jullie gaan. Dat is ons eerste op die bus. Hoe op, man?
The bus is getting filled right now.
Is die Walvis of Sakko? Vraag daar. Sam, is die Walvis of Sakko? Yes. Yo, het zal
Het
waag.
staat vol, nee?
Het zal waag, het zal waag, het zal waag.
weer.
Ons was gekant, bro. Ons wat kan maar staan. Ja, ik zie
Niggas are arguing. Hey, record YouTube. Yes.
Sound. Daar is nog sound, maar dat is zeg maar niet.
Ay, ay, ay.
Crazy shit, man.
Jenna! Oh! Ja, gossip. Ik zeg, is walvis kom. Oh, die kwaad. Ja. Damn, nigga. What's going on, bro?
Was die Amarokse mensen, joh?
Was die Amarokse mensen? Amarokse mensen.
Nyata goed is en hier, dat is op die Amarok, joh.
Oké, next, ik zit.
Was slecht op vandaag.
Ja.
Alright, thanks, man. We were gonna help that guy get his car out, but then, nah, bro, it's getting late and the after party is gonna be done. Now we gotta go. The girl with the pink hat is still here though. The bus story was not helping at all. Go!
The phone shot is how we gonna end up in Neptune?
Vera! Yes.
Dus gaan door.
Ja. De links, bro.
De links.
I'm trying to say something for New Year, man. Like for the video's outro or something.
Ah, nice.
But I don't know what to say, bro. I can't even tell because check, with the selfie shot in there, like you can zoom in, man.
Yeah.
So I don't even know if my head is in or not. Is it?
Wait, move a bit to the
Is it even
left?
recording, bro?
I think it is. Yeah, it's recording, but your head isn't in it.
How about now?
I can't even see it. Wait.
Like I zoomed in a little bit.
Okay, now your head is in it. It's like, yeah, like from your knee to the top of your head is in, yeah.
It's New Year. Is this even still recording? We just spent New Year's as niggas, but just like 4 guys. So we're just in the living room. Denzel is busy playing FIFA at the moment, so yeah. Yeah, nah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Hi guys, please subscribe to No Cap Turks. It's the best YouTube channel on the world in Namibia. It's the only YouTube channel in Namibia and it's the best one. Thank you.
We on the road, man. Subscribe to this nigga channel. Comment, subscribe. Do whatever you can. It's free, my nigga. It's free. You don't have to pay. You don't have to pay, my nigga. It's free. Hey, but I'm fucks with y'all, man. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate the support, bro.
En gaan follow ook die mannetjes, man. Gaan follow onze Instagram. Doe the most.